In front of me I've got Alcatel One T10 Smart. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we've got Mirror Vision function. Mirror Vision is a set of engines to enhance display picture quality. Then we can change brightness level of the display manually, enable or disable eye comfort mode and change its intensity and schedule it. Then we can enable or disable read mode, change wallpaper, and enable or disable dark theme. Next, we can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never. And next we can enable or disable auto rotate screen. In the end we can change font size, display size, set screensaver, and manage lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen, add users from lock screen manage, message and show lockdown option. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.